Hello YouTube, this is Ganesh and today I'm going to show you my 2017 fresh fireworks stash. So let's start. So first are these turkey lars. They are of pretty good quality this time. These are by Ratna's company. I got 12 of these and I got these 12 for 120 rupees, 10 for 1. Next are these Shakti green Soothly bombs. They are of pretty good quality. These Soothly bombs and hydro bombs quality can be known by their weight, so they are pretty heavy. So I got this one box for 50 rupees and in total I got 3 boxes for 150. Next is this Chutput by A1 company. I got this box for 70 rupees. They are 10 in number. So these are like fountains but more of crackling effect. I got this box for 70 rupees. Next are these Cock brand whistling wheels. 2 boxes. I got one box for 100 rupees. They are the best whistling wheels or chakkars which can be found in India. So I already opened one for the viewers. So the presentation and packing is pretty good. So one box for 100 rupees and 2 for 200. Next are these 7 shots color by Vedable. So I got this box for 120 and in box I got 5 pieces. So one is for 24 rupees. So these are somewhat like a crackling bomb, but they are a little aerial. They go to a medium sort of height and burst 7 shots. So 5 pieces for 120 rupees. Next are these Audi gold color sparklers. I got 2 boxes of these sparklers and one box for 35 rupees. So they are of pretty good quality and 10 pieces per box. They are of one of the best quality sparklers in India. So 70 for 2 boxes. Next are these color shine sparklers. I got 2 boxes of these sparklers, one for 30 rupees, 60 for 2 boxes. So they are, I think, 30 centimeters and 5 pieces per box. The good thing about these sparklers is that they provide more of the effect and less of the iron, which is not needed during Diwali. So 2 boxes for 60 rupees. So next are these Shakti foils bomb. I got one box for 80, 160 for 2 boxes. These are now the loudest foils to be found in India. So they are loudest and their quality can be known by their weight. They are pretty heavy and I think they are better than the Nazi bomb provided by Coronation. So 2 boxes for 160. Next are these Gudia silver foils. I got 2 boxes, one for 100 and 200 for 2 boxes. So these are of pretty good quality, as can be known by their packing. So 10 pieces per box and I think they are of green color, as can be judged by the pencil colors. So they are 30 centimeter and are of pretty good quality. Now I am going to show you my flower pots. So this time mostly I bought matka flower pots. So first are these Jasmine matka flower pots by Gudia brand. So I got 3 boxes of these flower pots and one box for 100 rupees. so they are pretty heavy and go about 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds at a height of 15 meters, 20 meters I think. So 3 boxes of these flower pots. Next are similar matka bombs but in different color. These are Gudiya green colored flower pots matka, and these are for 150 rupees, and they are also of similar quality like the last but are in green color. So colored matka flower pots are a must buy in every Diwali because they are of the best quality. So I got 2 boxes of these green colored flower pots for 150 per box. And I got a red colored Gudiya flower pots matka, and they are extremely rare to find. I think because they find a great skill to bring a red effect in a flower pot, and especially a matka flower pot. So I was only able to find 1 box of these flower pots, and this is also of 150 rupees. This time I also invested in these color rain Rang Barsat fountains, and in this huge box there are only 2 fountains, two flower pots. So let's see. So they are of pretty good quality and pretty big in size. So I got this box for 100 rupees and 50 for 1 flower pot. So as can be judged by the diameter of the flower pot, they are of very large size and good quality. I got 2 boxes of these flower pots. One is this and another is packed. So I got 2 boxes for 200 rupees. This time I got one of the biggest matka flower pots to be found in India. This box I got for 300 rupees. So here are the flower pots. These are pretty big and about 1 kg each. The size comparison is right here. These are the green colored and these are the giant matka flower pots. These are about 250 grams and these are 1 kg. I got 4 of these giant flower pots for 300 rupees. I got only 1 box because they were extremely rare to find. Now I'm going to show you my aerial fireworks. So first are these single shells. So a good thing about this company providing these shells is that they provide different effects. Most company provides the similar effect in all the 3 shells. So here are the effects as can be seen, and here are the shells. They are 2-inch shells and are pretty heavy and of good quality. Here's the fuse. So I got these 3 shells for 550 rupees. I got another similar type of box of shells, 3 shells, but and of similar quality, but they have a different effect as can be seen here, right here. This I also got for 550 rupees. Next I got a single shell right here. This I got for 180 rupees and it has a silver effect. So let me just open it. So here's our shell. This is I think 2.5-inch shell, and this I got for 180 rupees. Next I got these whistling rockets. 2 boxes of these whistling rockets, sky whistling, and these are of pretty good quality this time, as can be seen right here. These are of pretty good quality. They have a whistle effect and I think a little report, as the shopkeeper told me. So I got 2 boxes of these shells, these sky whistling rockets for 300 rupees and 150 for 1 box. Next I got these wearable red bloom SKYSHOTS, 3 pieces. So as I told you, most companies provide the similar effect, but this effect, red bloom effect, is pretty good effect. It is a must buy, and it is like a sky dominator, because red color has the maximum wavelength, so it can be seen from the farthest point. So I got 3 pieces of these red bloom for 600 rupees and 1 for 200. So I bought the whole box for 600. Let me take out all the 3 pieces. So here are the 3 pieces and a cardboard. A new thing I bought this Diwali are these hot air balloons. These are Chinese, but this thing is of very unique and good quality. So I may post a separate video of how to use these hot air balloons. So a candle like this is provided, and it is fitted inside this ring connected by 4 wires. In the center the candle is placed and burnt, so it fills the balloon with I think methane or carbon dioxide, I think, any gas lighter than the atmosphere, I think mostly oxygen, and it goes up in the air. I may use it for advertisement purposes. So I got one for 20 rupees, and for 180 rupees I got 9 pieces. These things are of very good quality. Last but not the least, I got "120 Shots Pyro Juice" by A1 company, and here it is from the inside. So these are 120 shots. I have counted, and they are 120 in number. So they provide 2 fuses for double surety. Right here, 2 fuses, and it is pretty long and of very good quality. So I got this 120 shots box for rupees 1000. So overall on these fireworks I got 20% discount. So I got these all fireworks for 4800 rupees. Anyways, thank you for watching. Do subscribe and don't forget to press that notification icon.